We have brought back a popular guest, Mahendra Sharma. He is a financial astrologer and fund manager of MahendraProphecy.com, where he looks to the stars to predict where markets will move next. He has just released his latest book, 2016 Financial Predictions, which looks for mining stocks to make a comeback this year. He joins us now from his home in Santa Barbara. Mahendra, thanks for being back on the show.
As usual, thank you very much.
So after reviewing your book, Mahendra, your view is very positive for precious metals mining stocks this year, and even more for base metals. So tell us a little bit about why you think that is.
Yes, according to what I see in the 2016 and onward, that the base metals and the mining metals stocks will going to outperform the physical metals. Though I haven't seen, let me be honest, that the lately rise in the last 6 weeks in the gold and especially gold prices, I haven't seen in my astro indicator that moving up to the 1250. I thought that it may move toward to the 1178. But in my book, I mentioned that the higher side, the gold will hit to $1,250, and this should be the higher side. But the investors, they should be focusing on the mining stocks. I think they looks interesting investment in the 2016. Right now, they can book some profit if I'm talking on the short-term basis, but definitely May onward, I see all the base metals moving higher, especially copper will going to support the zinc, nickel, and aluminum.
All right, so just to recap there, Mahendra, your forecast for gold, the trading range you're looking for?
Yes, short-term trade range, I'm looking between the 1250 to 1173. If gold breaks, though I'm not predicting in the 2016 that the gold moving about 1250 or closing about 1250, but if gold close the 1250 for the 11 days, then I think it can move toward to the 1600. But that chances of happening, that is maybe the 1%. If gold trade below the 1173 for the 5 trading days, then there are chances that gold may going to go hit toward to new lows. But I don't think if the gold even falls back to the new low, I don't think mining stocks will going to go back to the new lows. So I think I'm strongly recommending in the 2016 that investors can start accumulating metal and the mining stocks on the weakness.
Okay, what about on the silver side, Mahendra? You're not too bullish here, correct?
Yes, I'm not very bullish. Higher side maximum, I think 1635 or to 1675 maximum side is something comes which very doubtful. The silver will going to remain a sideline, but in the first half. In the second half, silver will going to outperform gold, according to what I see, and that's what I see in my astro cycles. That in the second half, silver will outperform gold. Gold may, I think the gold investors should trade not focusing on the way longer term. I think they should focus between the 3 to 5 months time cycle or 2 months time cycle with rather than the holding for the longer term trade, and then sell it on the higher side, which I believe 1250 should be the higher of the 2016, and the lower side if it falls around back to the 1045, and that should be level to watch. Even last year I said that 1045 level to be watched.
All right, Mahendra, just to wrap up, what's a major prophecy that you talk about in your book? What can readers expect?
I think according to what I believe, that in 2016 equity market, global equity market, there will be a major bull market in the equity. I see in my book, if you read my book, January and February, I predicted very volatile time. But from the 3rd of March, I see a very stable and gradual rise for the equity, and which may support, I think, the metal and mining stocks as well. And metal and mining stocks will going to rise with the overall equity market trend. If you ask me about emerging market currencies, which they have been falling, and even the last year interview when I was there on the Kitco, I said that emerging market currencies, they may keep falling. But I think it looks like that emerging market currencies bottoming out here. So I think these currencies like a rupee, real, rand, ruble, peso, they all will going to start moving higher from here, and they can gain around 3 to 5% value within the next three months. That's what I believe.
Thank you, Mahendra. Thank you, Mahendra. And as always, it's going to be a good year for Virgos, right?
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you.
Especially from the 27th of July.
Thank you, Mahendra. Thanks for joining us. And thank you for watching this edition of Kitco's Gold Report. We'll see what the stars hold for us next. Thanks for watching.